It's day 2 of making strawberry cheesecake bars for the kid's birthday today. Yesterday I made the cheesecake. Yes, it did crack, but it's no big deal because we're gonna go ahead and top it. Once the cheesecake was completely cooled, I went ahead and covered it with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Just a few minutes ago, I pulled the cheesecake out of the refrigerator because now I'm gonna go ahead and make my strawberry jello topping. In the saucepan, I have sugar, cornstarch, and strawberry jello. I'm gonna whisk those together, and then I'm gonna add in water and a little bit of lemon juice. Bring that to a boil on probably about medium-high heat. Let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then add in my sliced fresh strawberries, and then I will top it on to the cheesecake. And I'll show you what it looks like once I get it onto the cheesecake. So the cheesecake is topped with the strawberry jello topping. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the refrigerator and let that set up, and then I'll top it with some Cool Whip. So I'll show you when I get the Cool Whip on it. The strawberry jello is all set up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and top it with the whipped topping. The whipped topping is on the strawberry cheesecake bars. I would cut into it, but it is for the kid's birthday, so I can't. I do have this recipe on my blog though.